Welcome back to ZDNet's DIY IT. My name is David Gewirtz, and before we get into today's project, I'd like to spend 60 seconds talking to you about COVID-19, the novel coronavirus. It feels very odd to be talking about regular day-to-day projects in light of the pandemic, but we need to hang on to what normalcy we can find in order to stay sane. In my case, many of my projects revolve around working at home tech, which is now more relevant than ever. So rather than holding back out of some feeling of impropriety, I'm sharing what I'm working on in the hopes it will inspire or help you solve work at home problems. That said, my thoughts are with all of you, our entire planet, as we face this invisible enemy. I'm heartened to see how many folks are respecting quarantines and social distancing, how many people are lending others a helping hand, and how much our collaboration technology is actually helping to save the day. Be well, my friends. Be strong. Be safe. And with that, let's get back to our regularly scheduled programming.